Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to fully factory reset your Tagry wireless earbuds. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to fix some connection issues, or maybe your Tagry earbuds aren't working. How do you actually go ahead and fully factory reset it? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So what you're first going to do is that you're going to grab your Tagry wireless earbuds, and then you want to make sure that the case is left open, and then you want to flip them on backward. And then you want to see these dots here, and then you want to press the touch pads with my thumbs here until yours starts to blink red. So this should take about like 5 to 15 seconds in order for it to blink red. But once it starts blinking red, that is going to mean that you've just reset your Tagry wireless earbuds. After it starts blinking red, just simply return it to its case, and there you have it. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fully reset your Tagry wireless earbuds. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.